going on, everybody? Today we're going to unbox the Dreametech H12 Pro wet and dry vacuum. These are by far the best way to mop up your floors in 2023. This type of technology has been out for, I don't know, 6 months to a year. They keep improving on it more and more with every new version. So the big improvements for this one is the self-drying module at the bottom that'll self-dry the roller pad for you. And of course it also self-cleans it. This one also has the edge-to-edge cleaning, so you can get really close up to your baseboards. And I'm going to show you everything inside of the box. I'll go over some more information with you, and then I'll set it up, charge it up, and do a full review on this guy. If you guys have any questions at all about this, please let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer it for you. Or if you want to see any specific tests done, let me know and I'll make that happen. So let me go ahead and get everything out of the box and I will show you exactly what you get, and then we will set it up. All right, everybody, here's everything out of the box. Going over it, we have a scrubbing tool that helps clean inside of the dirty water tank there. There's also, if you pull this out here, a little cutter tool in case you get any hair entangled on the roller itself. Of course, you get the user's manual. You have an extra air filter, an extra roller brush, which is nice if that one gets worn out or just too dirty. Very simple to replace, so it's nice that they include that. Of course, this is your main dock, charging contacts right here, and then there is a hot air dispenser up front here that will blow the rollers and help them get dry so there's no stinkiness or mildew. Does come with some floor cleaner in that white bottle. And then these are some attachments that go on the side of the unit if you want to store your extra roller or side brush. Personally, I'm going to keep these in a drawer. I think it looks a little bit cleaner without these additional parts, but they do include it if you want to use it. Once again, here's the dock. It says Dreamy there, which is pretty cool. There's the charging contacts. So you will set the vacuum on these contacts. There is a little fan built in here that will blow hot air onto the roller bar itself. So pretty cool. Not too many of these wet and dry vacuums have the drying feature, which is nice. All right, quickly on to the vacuum itself. Very simple to use. When this is full and you need to empty it, you just literally just pinch this, pops right out. This comes apart, and you dump this down a sink, your toilet, or even bathtub if you want to. And then you use that tool and get inside there, and it cleans very, very easily. Pop this back on, and you're good to go for your next cleaning. On the back here, another water tank here. This is your clean water tank. Kind of the same thing, pops right off with squeezing. There is the hole to add the water, and then you can add up to 10 milliliters of solution to help clean your floors. Once again, very, very simple. All right, they also made this very, very easy to clean and very easy to replace the roller. All you do is squeeze this top plate here, pops right off. And then to get the brush off, couldn't be any easier really. There's a button on top here that you push, clicks this open, slide it right off, and it's as simple as that. So if this one is worn, you just grab your extra one, slide it right on, and then push this back in. You're good to go. Stand it back up and pop your plate back on. Super, super easy. And yeah, I think this thing is going to do a really, really good job. It's got all the features you want. When I do the full review, I'll tell you if I recommend it or not. I'll do comparison videos with the Roborock. I have a few others that I still haven't tested, and I'll do like a 4 or 5 way review when I get to those. So I think this one's going to be one of the top 3 for sure. And I've been really happy with Dreamy products. If you like this video, please smash that like button for me. Consider subscribing if you want to see the review. And thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.